Manipur Police, in a significant crackdown on insurgent activities in the region, arrested 2 active members of proscribed militant outfits in separate operations today. In the first case, the police apprehended Laishram Milan Singh, an active cadre of the RPF PLA from Thangal Bazaar in Imphal West District. During the arrest, 1 mobile phone, 1 wallet containing an Aadhaar card and Rs 310 in cash and 1 two-wheeler vehicle were recovered from his possession. In another operation, Nomaikapam Romi Singh, age 49, an active member of the pre-park outfit, was arrested from Imphal West District. The police seized alarming items from his possession, including 1 high-explosive grenade with 2 detonators posing a severe threat to public safety and 1 mobile handset along with 2 SIM cards, suspected to be used for communication and coordination purposes within the militant outfit. The arrested individuals along with the seized items have been taken into custody for further investigation.